Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome back. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hussein, and together with my brother Hassan, we teach Tajik in this channel, and both of us, we are from Tajikistan. We have a video series called 500 Most Common Words and Phrases in Tajik, and every Tuesday we teach 10 new vocabulary words, and this is week 18. And don't forget, you can find the link to the PDF file of each lesson in the description box. So let's get started. I agree. Man rozī. Man rozī. Man rozī, and rozī at the end, long E. So I agree with you 100%. Man 100% бо шумо розӣ ҳастам. Man 100% бо шумо розӣ ҳастам. I don't agree. Man rozī nestам. Rozī nestам. Okay? Rozī nestám. I don't agree with you. Man бо шумо розӣ нестам. Man бо шумо розӣ нестам. I'm tired. Man монда шудам. Or man хаста шудам. Man монда шудам. Or man хаста шудам. You can use both of them. But usually in the north, people say монда. It's more common. So, I'm tired of watching television. Man аз тамошои телевизор монда шудам. Man аз тамошои телевизор монда шудам. What's going on? Чӣ гап? Or чӣ шуд? Чӣ гап or чӣ шуд? Okay? Чӣ гап or чӣ шуд? So, I have no idea what's going on. Ман намедонам чӣ гап шуда истодааст. Ман намедонам чӣ гап шуда истодааст. Unfortunately, I don't have time. афсӯз ки вақт надорам. афсӯз ки вақт надорам. афсӯз ки вақт надорам. And sometimes you may hear people saying mutaasifona. Mutaasifona is the same like афсӯз ки. Okay? So the sentence. Tomorrow there is going to be a game of buzkashi in Gulistan. We could go together if you want. No, unfortunately, I don't have time. Пагоҳ дар Гулистон бузкашӣ мешавад? Агар хоҳӣ, ҳамроҳ меравем. Не, афсӯз ки вақт надорам. Okay, one more time. Пагоҳ дар Гулистон бузкашӣ мешавад? Агар хоҳӣ, ҳамроҳ меравем. Не, афсӯз ки вақт надорам. Gulistan here, Gulistan means a city. It's the name of the city. And what is buzkashi? Buzkashi is a sport. And from Persian, it means goat pulling. The sport has been played across Central Asia for hundreds of years. It involves many players riding a horse and trying to pull a headless, dead goat to one area in a field. And the player earns a point each time he gets the goat to that area. Thank you very much. Tashakkuri zиёд or раҳмати калон. Tashakкури зиёд or раҳмати калон. And раҳмати калон is more common in the north part of Tajikistan. So, thank you very much for your support. Раҳмати калон барои кӯмакатон. Раҳмати калон барои кӯмакатон. Same to you. Барои шумо низ or барои шумо ҳам. Барои шумо ҳам or барои шумо низ. Okay? Барои шумо ҳам, барои шумо низ. So, Happy Navroz. The same to you. Navroz муборак. Барои шумо ҳам муборак. Okay? Navroz муборак. Барои шумо ҳам муборак. And Navroz is a traditional holiday and it's celebrated in many countries, including Tajikistan, and we celebrate it in March. If you want to learn more about that, we have a video and it's only in Tajik. You can find a link to the video in the description box. Enough. Kifoya. 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 And we usually say bas. Bas is more common here in the north. So, is there enough coffee for everyone? Барои ҳама қаҳва кифоя аст? Барои ҳама қаҳва кифоя аст? Now, ҳозир or ҳоло. ҳоло or ҳозир. Okay? ҳоло and ҳозир. So, I'm from Pamir, but now I live in Dushanbe. Ман аз Помир мебошам, аммо ҳоло дар Душанбе зиндагӣ мекунам. Ман аз Помир мебошам, аммо ҳоло дар Душанбе зиндагӣ мекунам. I'm not from Pamir, it's just a sentence. Congratulations. Муборак бошад. Or табрик. Муборак бошад. Or табрик. Okay? Табрик or муборак бошад. So, congratulations, my friend. When is the wedding? Муборак бошад достам. Той кайба? Муборак бошад достам. Той кайба? Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Khair.